Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Check the bot runtime and permission scope so the link can be authorized. Once done, create the linking file in JSON or YAML with the minimal required fields: ID, endpoint, and auth token. You should name it clearly and place it where the bot can read. Make a quick backup of the current config and load the file into a staging workspace. This prevents accidental production changes and lets you validate immediately without breaking live traffic. Now you validate and execute. Run a schema validator to catch missing fields or type errors so the bot won't reject the file. Next, place the file at the configured path or upload it via the admin UI, making sure permissions and ownership allow the bot process to read it. Then trigger the bot to reload configuration or call the ingest API. Watch logs for parsing messages. If the bot emits warnings, note the line numbers and fix the file. Then reload again to confirm. Finish by confirming the link. Run a test interaction that exercises the new endpoint and validate expected responses. Once satisfied, promote the linking file to production and monitor logs and metrics for anomalies. If something goes wrong, revert quickly to your backup to restore service, then run a differential check. A key troubleshooting tip: check file encoding and invisible characters. Most parsing failures come from stray BOMs or mismatched timestamps. Fix encoding, re-upload, and reload the bot to resolve the issue.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.